Hey everyone, welcome to the Curious Earth. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of rocks and minerals. Get ready for an adventure as we explore the differences between rocks and minerals, the cool ways we study them, and even how to make a thin section for microscopic examination. So, buckle up, let's rock and roll. First things first, what exactly are rocks and minerals? Let's break it down. Minerals are naturally occurring, inorganic solids with a specific chemical composition and crystalline structure. Think of them as nature's building blocks. Common examples include quartz, feldspar, and mica. Rocks, on the other hand, are composed of one or more minerals. For example, granite is a rock made up of quartz, feldspar, and mica. Get it? Rocks are like the party. Minerals are the guests. Now that we know the difference, how do we study these amazing geological wonders? There are several methods, and they can be super fun. Let's check them out. 1. Hand specimens. This is the most basic way to study rocks and minerals. You can literally hold them in your hand. Look at their color, texture, and size. Each one tells a story. 2. Optical microscope. With optical microscope, we can see the minerals in thin slices of rock. It's like looking through a tiny window into the earth. You can observe the crystal structures and identify different minerals. Pretty cool, right? Scanning electron microscope, SEM. For ultra-detailed imaging, we use a scanning electron microscope. The SEM gives us a high-resolution view of the surface of rocks and minerals, revealing textures you wouldn't believe. It's like zooming into a whole new world. And let's not forget about the transmission electron microscope. This fancy gadget allows us to see atomic structures. Talk about getting down to the nitty-gritty. Not for the faint of heart, but definitely thrilling for serious mineralogists. Now here's a fun project you can try in the lab. Making a thin section. It's a crucial step for microscopic examination. First, select a specimen. Start with a cool rock sample that you want to study. Then cut a thin slice. Using a rock saw, carefully cut a slice of about 30 micrometers thick. Make sure to wear safety gear. Safety is first. Polish the slide. Next, polish the slice to make it super smooth. This helps in viewing the minerals clearly under the microscope. Then mount on a slide. Mount the thin section on a glass slide and cover it with a cover slip. Now it's time for the big moment. Place your slide under an optical or electron microscope and take a good look at those dazzling minerals. And there you have it, folks, the exciting world of rocks and minerals. Remember, whether you're collecting hand specimens or delving into the depths with high-powered microscopes, every rock has a story to tell. So what will you discover next? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more geological adventures. Leave a comment below about your favorite rock or mineral. Until next time, keep exploring. Science is everywhere. Bye for now.